Welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Hena Talati. Cold temperatures, gusty winds sweep into many cities of United States. Following Tuesday's cold front, the North Pacific high was expected to nudge inland to northwestern California on Wednesday, increasing the pressure gradient and resulting wind speeds across the state. Northwest gusts of 25 to 35 miles per hour are likely in the Bay Area, while the Sundowner and the Santa Ana winds in Southern California are forecast to gust up to 50 miles per hour. The National Weather Service has issued wind advisories across the Southern California through Thursday morning for the local gust up to 50 miles per hour in Palmdale, Lancaster and western San Gabriel Mountains. In the Bay Area, the first round of winds will peak around sunrise, with the northwest gust of 20 to 30 miles per hour region-wide. Stronger speeds are possible in Twin Peaks, the Oakland and Berkeley Hills, North Bay Mountains and Santa Cruz Mountains with a gust of up to 40 miles per hour. A brief lull of expected around midday, but an increase in the surface pressure gradient is expected by the mid-afternoon, adding an extra punch of the usual sea breeze along the peninsula, and the residents in the Pacificia, Half Moon Bay, San Bruno and San Francisco can expect strong sustained winds with the gust eclipsing to 35 miles per hour continuing into the evening. Wednesday's high temperatures were about 5 degrees below mid-October normal, in the mid-60s at the coast and lower of the mid-70s inland. Lows will drop to the lower to mid-50s except in the Wine Country, while 40s are possible. This cold, dense air will trickle into the valleys of the Northeast California, Western Nevada on Wednesday night, prompting the Weather Service to issue a freeze watch. The first sub-freezing temperatures of the season are possible in the outskirts of the Reno. Overnight lows below freezing have been recorded in the Lake Tahoe throughout the September and October, meaning the area is not included in the freeze watch, but Wednesday night's lows in the mid-20s was coldest so far. San Francisco. Strong winds were expected early across the city, especially near the Mount Sutro, Twin Peaks and Mount Davidson, where the gust could eclipse 40 miles per hour. Elsewhere, winds could reach 30 miles per hour through mid-morning before the lull until the afternoon. The second bout of the wind is expected in the late afternoon and evening. Gusts along the Golden Gate, along the Ocean Avenue, Outer Richmond and Outer Sunset will top 30 miles per hour at times before weakening overnight. High temperatures will be in the mid-60s west of Sutro Tower and in the upper 60s to near 70 north of the Panhandle in the Noe Valley, the Mission District, south of Market and downtown. Skies are expected to be mostly clear throughout the day and continue overnight when the lows drop to mid-50s. Gusty morning winds are expected in Marin and Sonoma counties, and residents in the Santa Rosa, Petaluma and San Rafael will want to grab the wind jackets on their way out of the door, as 30 miles per hour gusts are expected throughout the morning. Gusts in the Napa and Solano counties will be weaker, 15 to 20 miles per hour. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.